Yeah, so continue. For example, this aldehyde also is there by using of lithium aluminum hydride. This aldehyde functional group is converted into CH2OH, and even the bulky groups are there. Benzyl groups are there. Benzyl ketone. So now by using of lithium aluminum hydride, so hydration it gives the, so now this so OH converted into alcohols. You can see even double bond is there, and carbonyl compound is there. So now it can reduce it only selectively. That's why this reaction is called a chemoselective reaction. And even ester is there, lithium aluminum hydride. This ester is reduced to alcohols. As a very interesting lithium, this is the very important. So in this one, a silicate is there, and double bond is there, even epoxide is there, and ketone is there. So there is the double bond. So different functional groups are there, but selectively, please remember that. So even epoxide is there, but so that's why it is a weak reducing agent. Sodium borohydride only it can reduce ketone only. So very nice example in this one. And even diketone is there, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the diketone. So by using of hydrogen palladium it can reduce. So lithium aluminum hydride also it can reduce, and sodium borohydride in methanol medium, so it can give the product. So another one, so alkene is there. So alkene epoxidation followed by hydration, so it gives the anti product, very important anti addition reaction. So that's why trans diols are the products. So for example, osmium tetroxide in presence of NMO, N oxide is the morphine oxide is the catalyst, so it will form so osmium tetroxide. So syn addition reaction, please remember it is a syn diol KMNO4 also. So now that's why, so pure water is unsuitable as a coolant because it can freeze below, very important. So one of, for example, pure water is unsuitable as a coolant, so because of it can freeze below 0 degree centigrade. To prevent freezing, a coolant can be used as a anti-freezer is used. So ethylene glycol or propylene glycol are the important as a anti-freezer, very important in examination. Okay, so these are the ethylene glycol or ethylene propylene glycol are the anti-freezer agents. And very important, so preparative of alcohols via Grignard reagent. So this is also very important. Students, RX alkyl halide reaction with magnesium in presence of a ether as a solvent, it can form RMgX. Grignard reagent or MgX is called Grignard reagent, or maybe alkyl or phenyl. For example, bromobenzene reaction with magnesium, phenyl magnesium bromide, and so 1 2 3 propyl chloride magnesium, so it from propyl magnesium chloride. So very important is that Victor, so Victor, we have to remember the scientist scientist effort. So Victor Grignard in the year of 1912, a Nobel Prize he received in the year of 1912. So carbon and magnesium bond. So carbon is more, we know that carbon is more electronegative than magnesium, so that carbon atom withdraws the electron density from the magnesium, so via induction. So that is called induced. So this gives a rise, this gives rise to a partial negative charge on the carbon atom. Very nice example. So Victor Grignard 1912 Nobel Prize. So example this one. So phenyl magnesium bromide, so that's why phenyl get the negative charge, and so this is the like, so that's why, so Grignard reagents are carbon nucleophiles capable to attacking a wide range of electrophiles. For example, this is the very important. So carbonyl acetone reaction with RMgX followed by hydrolysis, it can form a tertiary alcohols. So it follows like this. For example, RMgX, it can react with water, so it can abstract the proton and it can form alkanes also. So these are the variety of examples, and students please note that. Cyclohexanone reaction with methyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis, so 1 methyl cyclohexanol, and to, so this is the butanaldehyde reaction with methyl magnesium bromide, so it can form 2 pentanol, and then esters also. Esters means excess Grignard reagent is required because 2 moles, first it will form ketone, then hydrolysis, so it can form a tertiary alcohols. So this is the mechanism RMgX. So very important, carboxylic acid RCOOH, so it is acidic proton, so that it can form alkane. So this is also very important. and even alcohol is there and bromine is there, very important. So alcohol are very mild acidic proton, so that alcoholic hydrogen it can't abstract the proton from the so that's why magnesium bromide, so it can form, so not compatible. So OH is not the a selective reagent, only bromine only selective reagent. So this is the so acetophenone and acetophenone and ethyl magnesium bromide, so it form a tertiary alcohols. And yeah, so these are the different so these are the different examples. Thank you.